Hello.
Yeah, this is Srivan here.
Yeah, Srinivas is speaking.
Yeah, hi, Sri, Siddharth here from Yes Technology.
Yes, yes.
So I think we spoke yesterday that network was not right. So can we continue now?
Yes, yes, yes. We can continue.
Okay, sure. So can you tell me about yourself? Like we'll start from your description, like what technology you have worked on, and in current project what you are doing, and where you are working, and your past experience with DevOps technology.
Okay. So currently, I have 3 years of experience in that as a DevOps engineer. So in these 3 years of experience, I have worked on different technologies like version control systems, Git, GitLab. I have used and TFS. I have knowledge and build tools Ant and Maven. I have worked on and also Nexus and JFrog. I have used artifact repository, SonarCab as a source code quality management tool, and Tomcat and Wildfire. I have used application servers. Okay, and also that Jenkins as a continuous integration, and Travis also I have used and Nexus the JFrog the artifact repositories, and Docker as a containerization tool I have used, and Urban Code Deploy and Ansible I have used the deployment tools, and New Relic is a monitoring tool I have used. These are the tools mainly I have configured in the Linux operating system, Red Hat and CentOS. I am very good in Linux commands as well as, and also I have written a shell script for doing the automation and several taking doing the server resources monitoring and then. So these are the tools and the technologies I have used in my career. Okay, 3 years of experience. And also coming to roles and responsibilities. So for the newly onboarded projects from scratch, I'm doing all the GitHub administration, like creating the organization repositories, creating the teams, adding the resources to that teams, providing the access to that repositories to the particular team, that repository. Okay, and creating the jobs in the Jenkins, using pipeline jobs. Okay, so for already existing projects, I'm supporting if any build related issues are coming, and also we are doing some migration from Ant to Maven migration. So these are the my roles and responsibilities. So if any new resources is onboarding into my project, I am giving that knowledge transformation, what we are following the standards, tools which we are using. Yeah, these are my roles and responsibilities.
Okay, and your experience with cloud technologies like Amazon Web
Yeah,
Services.
AWS I have knowledge and I have used it, but in my other team members are mainly using. So I have knowledge on that AWS. Like we are using the EC2 instance, S3 bucket because in one of the Java application they are uploading the profile images into that S3 bucket. So CloudWatch I have configured for monitoring that server resources, CPU utilization and memory utilization. So I have some of the services I have used in that AWS.
Okay, and what about the scripting language? Which
Scripting
scripting
language,
language?
that's what I mentioned as a shell scripting I have very good, and Java little bit I know, so I can write that Python, but I didn't get a chance to write a Python because whatever we can achieve through Python, we are achieving through shell scripting. So we are comfort with the shell scripting.
Okay, fine. Okay. So how much you will rate yourself in Amazon Web Services from a scale 1 to 10?
1 to 10, I can give 6 for AWS. So before going to our discussion, what kind of profile you are looking mainly? So pure AWS or only the DevOps with AWS? I want to
Yeah,
know.
we are looking for a core DevOps engineer, like not be specifically to Amazon Web Services,
Okay.
because it will relate to all these cloud technologies like for us Amazon Web Services, GCP, and like we are looking for full stack DevOps engineer.
Okay.
Okay, shall we start?
We can start. Yeah, I'm very good for DevOps engineer. So knowledge on this, I have worked on AWS services, but I have some knowledge on some of the ELB, Elastic Block Storage, some EBS and load balancing. I have the knowledge, but because other guy didn't give a chance to me to do all these configurations and all. So that's why before our interview starting, I'm giving these details.
Okay.
But if you have requirement on this AWS also, no problem. Give me 1 week. Definitely I can learn and I can implement. It is not a big deal. I'm not a junior resource.
So this is not, I will also clear you, like this is not actually we are looking for core AWS. We are just starting, I just want to know the experience of AWS, what you have.
Okay.
So actually we are looking for some kind of like, as we know, DevOps, like development plus operations. So we are looking someone who can develop a script so we can automate things like deployment things and all the things what we can implement.
Okay, we can. I have very good knowledge on the shell scripting as well as I can do that one.
Okay. So you have the knowledge on any kind of open source like CI tools and CD tools? Jenkins and all those?
Yeah, I'm working on that communication Jenkins only. I'm using that communication. Well, that is open source only.
That will be fine. Okay. So we'll start with AWS.
Okay.
So you have worked on Amazon EC2 also, right?
Yes, Amazon EC2 instance I have worked on.
Okay. So, if I have one Amazon EC2 instance running on Ubuntu 14.04.
Okay. Ubuntu?
14.04.
Okay.
And I launched that instance 3 months ago.
3 months back ago?
Yes.
Okay.
So, but today I want to access that instance and I can to know I lost my PM file. Okay, that key file. So how can I access without PM file, or how can I get that my
which
data?
file?
PEM file.
PEM file?
Yes, PEM file.
Okay.
Yeah. So today I came to know I lost my PM file. So can you tell me the process? What is your approach will be in the case? Like how can I get back that particular PM file? Or how can I get back my data stored in that VM?
So what you will do if you lost that PM file? So what you will do? Just you can go to that instance. Okay. And it will give.
Or going to that instance only, I need PM file, right?
Sorry?
Yeah, you can continue.
Yeah, first you can log in into that Amazon account. So there you will see that, go to the dashboard. You will see that particular EC2 instance. So there you can select that one. Okay, so after that, select that one, it will use that one, the key, particular public key. So take that one and again you can create with that name and you can copy that one and you can put in that key into that particular file and you can use it that one.
Are you sure this is the right approach to do that?
Yes, you can get it that one.
Okay. You have worked on Amazon VPC also?
Yes, Amazon EC2 instances mainly I am working. Now we are migrating all that whatever the on-premises servers, we are migrating one by into AWS EC2 instance.
Okay, so for migrating things, what AWS tool you are using?
Migrating means servers one by one we are procuring the servers in the AWS. And whatever we are, suppose earlier we were installing the Jenkins in the on-premises servers. So what we are doing, we procured that AWS account, there we have created the EC2 instances. There we have installing the Jenkins and we are migrating my jobs from on-premises to this particular EC2 instance where I have installed the Jenkins.
Okay, fine. So you have experience on Amazon VPC also?
Yes, I have Amazon VPC and I have created that security groups also. For suppose we have created some EC2 instances and a particular particular IP addresses only we need to access that one. So for that one, I have created the security groups, and we have mentioned that IP addresses range and then. So from those IP addresses only, it will get that all the access from that IP addresses only that particular EC2 instance.
Okay, fine. Can you tell me what is the difference between VPC peering and placement group?
Sorry?
Can you tell me the difference between placement group and VPC peering?
+1.
Placement group and VPC peering.
I'm not aware of it.
Oh, not issue. Not issue. Can you tell me what is the VPC endpoint?
VPC endpoint.
Yeah.
So mainly that VPC endpoint, this VPC is used for that access, restricting the access from this whatever the Amazon Web services from securing machines. So mainly it is used for connecting to different services from one service to other service. We'll use this endpoint.
Okay. So you have knowledge of Git also?
Yes, I am very good in. I have used it in the Git only.
Okay. So in Git, I can ask you, like, how do you revert a commit that you already has been pushed to that repository and made it public?
Okay. So for this one, first you have to find that which commit ID in that you have committed the badly code. So for that one, you can type git log. It will give that all the commit IDs. So take that commit ID. So first the 7 or 8, or you can take a full commit ID, and using one command is there, git revert that commit ID. So automatically it will delete whatever in that commit ID we have committed that one into that repository. It will delete the entire. And if that one it will delete in your local repository. And if you want to delete in that remote repository GitHub also, so after that GitHub git push that origin, whatever the alias name, and branch name and -f you can use. Automatically it will delete in the remote repository as well.
Okay. And how can you squash last 10 commits into one single commit?
So for that one we'll use the git merge. So if you want to merge one repository, one branch to other branch, we'll use the git merge and the branch name will use. So automatically in that branch 5 or 10 times whatever you have committed, it will take as one commit and it will merge with that another branch. So if you use the rebase, each commit as it will take as another, and it will add into that that particular branch. So if you use the git rebase, will clearly maintain that each commit what is you have committed, and we can able to. If you use git merge, all the commits it will take as a one commit and it will merge with the other branch.
Okay. Fine. That is not issue. Okay. So I am fine from Git side. Okay. So we'll continue with the shell scripting.
Okay.
So, can you tell me how to redirect extended out and extended error streams to one particular text file?
So for this one, we'll use that redirection symbols. Greater than, I will explain from set. Greater than is like redirect the output. If you use the double greater than, you will use the append the output to the particular file. So if you want to put that output as well as errors, we'll use the file descriptor. One is the standard output and two is the standard error. So if you are while running any shell script, you may get the error and you may get the output as well, correct? So if you want to put that output and as well as both errors in one file, 2 greater than ampersand 1 will use that one. File descriptors, using file descriptors we can achieve this
one. And how can we access the path of the shell script as a variable?
Sorry, I'm not getting.
how can we access the path of a shell script as a variable?
So for that one, you can create one function. So in that function, you can put that whatever that script in that inside that one. So with that function name, just you can call that shell script enter. So it will be like one command. Whatever that shell script file name, it will treat as one command.
Okay, fine. Okay. So, like I have two Linux machines, right?
Okay.
A and B.
Okay.
So I have one script, shell script in my VM A.
Okay.
Okay. And I want to run that particular script into that my VM B. So how can I run that shell script as a remote?
Okay. So first you can connect to that SH2, the shell script, the virtual machine 2. How we will connect? First, the virtual machine 1, SSH, username, @ okay? That server B, you can give instance 2. So automatically we will connect it to that one. So whatever this shell script, you can execute automatically you SH that shell script name. So automatically it will run in that instance 2.
Okay, fine. We'll come to the Linux part. Hello?
Yes, tell me. Yeah.
So can you tell me the difference between Control C and Control Z, what we read and Linux?
Sorry?
What is the difference between Control Z and Control C?
Control C and Control Z. So Control C, it will be like clear that terminate that one, whatever the job you are using, and if you use a Control Z, it will run that job in the background. It will Control C if it is aborts that one actually.
Okay, fine. And can you tell me the difference between what are the shared and slave and private and unbinded mount points?
Sorry?
Can you tell me the difference between what are the shared and slave, private and unbinded mount points?
Shared, private and slave files.
And unbinded mount points.
Mount points.
Yeah.
So actually this mount is used for mainly this one for attaching any hard drives. So for that one, first you have to create a mount point in the /mnt subdirectory. So there you can attach that hard disk, whatever that if you want to use this one. Okay, so that mainly that mount point, with the help of that mount point only you can add this hard disk, and you can, if you want to check that all the mount points and the sizes, we'll use that df-h.
Okay, fine. So I have one application running on one kind of Linux instance, okay?
Sorry?
I have one application running on one VM instance.
Okay.
Okay, and it's continuously generating some kind of log in one log file.
Okay.
Okay, so how can I monitor that running log?
So in this case, you can use the tail command, tail -f, that particular file name. Automatically last 10 dynamic growing lines it will give display. So if you want to display last 20 or 30 dynamically growing lines, tail -f 20 and give the file name, automatically it will give that last 20 lines dynamically.
Okay, fine. I'm fine. So we'll start with the Jenkins part, okay?
Okay.
Like I have created one custom plugin for Jenkins.
Okay.
How can I deploy that particular plugin to my Jenkins?
So for that one, so first you have to log in as the administrator in the Jenkins. log in into the Jenkins dashboard, go to the manage Jenkins and manage plugins. See that you will see that updates available, install, and advanced one tab is there. So go to the advanced tab, and there you will see that upload plugin. Just you can click on that upload plugin and give your whatever the plugin you have developed, the custom plugin, and you can click on and you can install that one. So like that you can install the custom plugins. Suppose if you want to install already existing plugins, go to that available plugin. There you can select and you can install without restart. Then you can restart the Jenkins. Like that you can install custom plugins, external plugins, as well as internal plugins. So all the external plugins will be like a .hpi format.
Okay. And if I want to move Jenkins from one server to another server, what is the process I need to follow?
That's what we are doing. So what we did, right now we are using on-premises services. Now we are migrating to the AWS EC2 instances. So what we did, in the Red Hat server, I have installed the Jenkins 2.x. So installed successfully, and I have verified it is working fine. After that, what I did, I have stopped that Jenkins instance in the EC2, and I have take the backup of. Once you install, it will create a one home directory in the Jenkins, Jenkins for home directory. What I did, I took the backup and I have copied all the whatever running this Jenkins into this particular folder. So after that, I have restarted. Automatically, all the Jenkins plugins and jobs, everything in the workspace, whatever the source code, everything we are migrating to this particular another server. So after like that, I have migrated one all the jobs into that particular new instance.
Okay, fine. Okay. So you have any knowledge on Ansible or something?
Yeah, I have knowledge on Ansible also. I have used it.
Okay. Fine. Completely fine. And what about Docker and Kubernetes?
Yeah, Docker, Kubernetes, I didn't get a chance to work on, but instead of Kubernetes, we can achieve whatever we can do through Kubernetes, we can achieve through Docker Swarm. So Docker Swarm is the one technology provided by the Docker. So the Kubernetes provided by another company like Google. So that's why I'm using whatever the provided by that Docker, I'm using the Docker Swarm. So using the Docker Swarm, you can achieve that clustering concept. So like you can deploy in multiple, more than one container. So multiple instances, you can put that load balancing also. So I have achieved all these things using the Docker Swarm itself. So container, Kubernetes, I didn't get a chance to work on because already we are using this Docker Swarm.
Okay, fine. Okay. What is your current CTC?
My current CTC is 4.6 lakhs.
Okay. And your expectation?
I'm expecting 30%.
Okay. So I think I'm done from my side.
Okay.
So as I will get back to you.
Okay. Thank you for your time. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Goodbye.
Bye. Hello?
Yeah, this is Srivan.
Yeah, Srinivas is speaking.
Hi, Sri. Siddharth here.